course, first I'm going to start off by cooking my pasta. I'm going to be using thin spaghetti. This is whole grain. You could use angel hair thin spaghetti. Let's get this in the pot and get it boiling and get it cooked up. I'm going to let this cook according to the directions on the box, which is 6 to 7 minutes. We're going to set it aside. Do not rinse. Before I chop my shrimp, I just wanted to show you how I do my tomatoes. For this, I'm not going to use everything like the meat and the seeds inside of the tomato. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this little tip off right here where the stem was, and I'm going to take my knife, run it through, pull that out, and then see this leftover seeds and a bit of juice. I'm just going to give it a scrape, so I just have this right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just make some thin slices, and then I'm going to just give them a nice chop. Before I get started on this shrimp, I'm going to show you what I got going on with everything else that's going in this dish. This is 1/3 cup of diced purple onion, and as you can see, it's pretty small. I have 1 medium-sized or 1/2 cup of a chopped vine ripened tomato, and I try to keep everything basically small as I could get it. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect. I have 1/2 cup of chopped spinach, and I chopped that pretty small. And then I have 1 diced clove of garlic, and it was a pretty big one, so I could say it's a medium to large. I'm using Argentine red shrimp. They're not cooked. This is the color they are when they're raw. But you could use any shrimp that you like for this dish. You could use colossal shrimp. You could use tiger shrimp. But I do recommend using a larger shrimp just because of the taste. What I'm going to do after I have it like this, I'm just going to run my knife through it like this. Okay, that looks good enough for me. I'm going to start by adding about a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil to the pan. I'm going to add my onion first. After I let these cook for a minute or two, I'm going to go ahead and add my tomatoes. You don't want to overcook your shrimp, so you want to give this a head start. Just cook it for a minute or two, just like you did the onion. Add my clove of garlic. Ready for the shrimp. Adding 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, black pepper, some sea salt, adding the spinach, I'm going to add some lemon, a drizzle of your extra virgin olive oil, I'm ready for the pasta. I had this setting aside, it's room temperature. Now that I have the pasta in the pan, I'm going to go ahead and add just a bit more sea salt, cracked black pepper, top it off with some more lemon. Just smells delicious. It tastes even better. So try this out. I guarantee you are gonna love it. And I'll see you in my next video.